Welcome back to the reloader build. This time let's
cover up these bits that don't have a window in them. I think I'm gonna do the back window edges where the glass is gonna support on. I bought these especially for this project, and it's gonna go okay, it's not gonna go. Now I will cut the bars 58. Next up, this panel I believe quite run out of the good sheet metal, so I need to make this out of tiny pieces, unfortunately. This piece is gonna go over here. Closed off this section, and I'm taking on this part now. So I'm gonna make a cover it to up somewhere here, and then I believe I will have a plate. This should be the piece I'm after, so does it look the same? The last piece cut out and I hammered it close, and now I can close this gap also. I must think of a handle also, so but it works. Nice. I have a weld bead over here. I need to grind down, then it'll be even smoother, but I'm not sure. I even quite like the little clunk it makes. Well, I started on the metal part on the door. First section of the door is like this. I'm really running out of material right now, but so when I weld this side of the door wants to bend. So I will put it under some stress before I weld this, and let's see if that makes any change. See if the clamps need anything. It actually worked. I'm going to cut up a truck tank I have over here, and I hope I won't blow up. Okay, after some measuring, cutting and grinding, I'm ready to tack it on. Let's do that one. I lost the marker again. It's getting creepy already. I cut it so that the inner part will be outside the door. Didn't meant to do that, would be better otherwise, but from the battery death. As you can see, I cut it out from the tank and grinded all the welding surfaces again. Now it's just to weld it. Well, this is the almost finished door. I have covered all the parts with metal. These 3 panels will be glass, and I suppose it's quite large for a door. You need to weld everything, same as the cabin. Okay, the light system is yet to come. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like.